Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Local Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 25 Area of Rectilinear Figures Exercise 25C question number 11. This is the perimeter of a rhombus is 40 centimeters and the length of one of its diagonals is 16 centimeters. Find its area. So over here you can see that your perimeter is equal to what? 40 centimeters. Now see, we will calculate the length of the side in these type of questions first with the perimeter. Perimeter I can write as 4L also, that is equal to 40. L is what? L is the length of one side. So your L is equal to 40 upon 4, therefore L is what? 10 centimeters. Okay, centimeters. So the length of one side of my rhombus is what? 10 centimeters. I'll make a rhombus here with the diagonals so that it's visible. Right, so you can see I've made some rhombus over here, some kind of a rhombus, and in this rhombus we know the length of each side as 10 centimeters. I am going to keep on making whatever I know. Keep on writing down whatever I know. And let's also name this thing A, B, C, D, this intersection point as O. Then it says the length of one of its diagonals is 16 centimeters. What does this mean? This means that out of these two diagonals, any one diagonal is 16 centimeters. Remember, diagonals of the rhombus are not equal, but they bisect each other at 90 degrees angle. That means if my one diagonal is going this way, another diagonal is coming this way, so it is bisecting it into two equal parts at what? 90 degrees. Okay, same thing over here. I've made these rectangles, this thing that shows that it's 90 degrees, so it's bisecting it at 90 degrees. Let's write this down. In a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So bisect means that they divide it into two equal parts. So two equal parts, one part here, one part here, same length. Now see, I know, let's say the length of AC. Okay, let's say I know the length of what? AC. AC is, let's say, 16 centimeters. So AC is equal to what? 16 centimeters. Okay, from here till here, how much? 16 centimeters. Now if I want to take it from here till here, not A to C but from A till O, then how can I do that? So I said just now that it is being bisected at point O. That means AO is equal to OC. Okay, now see, AO will be equal to half of AC. That means whatever length is of this line, this will be half of it. Okay, so let's calculate the value of AO. This will become 16 upon 2. So AO is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay, this means AO is what? 8 centimeters, and we know AO is equal to what? OC as well, because this it is being bisected, so this is also coming out to be 8 centimeters. Right, now leave it over here. What we have got, you can see one length is this AD, 10 centimeters, another is this AO, 8 centimeters, this OD is missing. So what I will do, I will use the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, so we will get what? See, we know Pythagoras theorem is base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. So my base, okay, my base I will take as what? OD. So you can take here anything, let's say AO plus OD is equal to AD. No, but there is one mistake. We need to add the square. So square of this AO square plus OD square is equal to AD square. Base square plus perpendicular square is equal to the square of hypotenuse. Now put the values. AO is 8 centimeters, that means 8 square, plus OD, I don't know, OD square will be as it is. AD square, AD is what? 10 centimeters, so 10 squared. So OD square is equal to, see, 10 square is 100 minus 8 square, that is 64. Plus will come here, becomes minus, and square of 8 is 64. So my OD square from here till here, right, this you can see, this is my OD. So OD square we will get, this is coming out to be what? See, we have got here OD square as 36. So OD is equal to the root of 36. This is what? 6 centimeters, right? One very important thing we have calculated. Now see, this OD is of 6 centimeters, okay, and we know we want to find area. Area is half into product of two diagonals. One diagonal I have already got, right? Another I can get by adding this and this. We know OD is equal to what? OB. Using what? This property, in a rhombus diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. That means this part is equal to this part. OD is equal to OB. So therefore OB will also be equal to 6 centimeters or not, because we have just now calculated OD is 6, so OB, this will also be what? 6 centimeters. Now main part is to calculate the other diagonal. First diagonal was AC. This we have already taken as 16 centimeters. Second diagonal in this rhombus is BD. This will be 6 plus 6. This is what? 12 centimeters. Why 6 plus 6? Because D to O 6 centimeters and O to B again 6 centimeters. So add both of them. So you get D to this entire B top. Now these two diagonals we know. Now we can calculate the area. Very simple. Just use the formula, half into product of diagonals. So what you get here, let's see, this is half multiplied by, one diagonal is 16, another is 12, cancel, cancel. This is what? 8 2 is 16 and 1, 96 square centimeters, and that is the area of the rhombus and your final answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.